Nakadu darshan kendra Shillong sesisian pan ipadang ngobhai pi jaga ne katup kubor jongi mata ka janmit. Haswa bingin nyepet yeki kubor ke babenia kini kilong kimat ki bakongsan. Penmi ke sorkar pedeng yeki kendon nak benta ka jing ai inject banyada nak jing pang COVID-19 kawat ka baningkong kan kentop kumban lai pau klor ngot kibrio. Sngokia ke sorkar halor kamat kebayadai baka kenhuan HNLC ong menteri ketenat ki kampo yang iba ala kemen rembui. Pelat ke sorkar saupusan keluar tengka syaki lai teli ki district council ong menteri badai kmi eki kam ki district council. Bad lapan long ya ke orientation program halor kamat gender-based violence and its prevention ha Women's College ha Shillong. Ki khubor ki babnia. Ka sorkar pedeng kala penmi yeki kendon nak benta ka jing a yeki dawai inject COVID-19 syaki pat ba hakari. Katenat ka kot khia kathmu ban ai inject syakumba lai phau klor ngot ki brio hakawat ka beningkong. Ka Serum Institute of India bad Bharat Biotech kala dep ban panjing bet ban penya yau no ya udawai inject ka Pfizer. On ya ka jing ai inject kabaningkong on sedang no tang syo jing bet naka sorkar ban pendon kam ya uni udawai naka benta ka jing pang COVID-19 ya kani ka dawai inject on ai shwai ki nong trai ka tanat ka kot ka khia ki nong trai ki basha hakmat bat ki breu ki bala palat san post nem karata on sapen bot pat da ka jing ai sha ki breu ki bahapo ka san post nem karata ki badon bat ki wei pat ki jing pang bat khaddo on ai ya ki wei pat ki nong song snong ki badang sa hado menta ki nong pang ki badang sha sumar hakari ki long lai lak lai pukandai hajar pras pa ar pongot. Hai kini ki arpu saw kanta bala dep palat arpu ar hajar ngot ki breu kilayo athmaya ke jing pang ka bala kentiu ya ka jing don ki nong pang hakari jaka khandai pukandai lak nreu hajar ngot. Ha Meghalaya nreu pun reu ngot kilayo athmaya ke jing pang ka bala kentiu ya ka jing don ki badang sha suma jaka nreu spa khandai pongot hado menta kasngi kat ba shispa arpu prangot pat kilakot. Daka baong baka sorkar ngau khia shisha halor kamat kabayadai barka kanhon HNLC menteri ketenat ki kampo yang iba la kemen rembui ila pen pau bala dadon kam ila ban khot ban keren yesuk hakajo kapor menteri ula ongro ba on om sha ya nuru ban krong jubor ya kanu ka khajna kani ke jing keren jong menteri ketenat ki kampo yang kalami hadien baga seng HNLC kalakam baka don kti hakajing pen bethai ya ubom IED hakar khana ka star simen ka badan ha East Giant Hills district.
Whatever tax is levied only by the duly authorized, empowered by the law, not beyond the law. I don't know whether it is HNLC or not, because whatever claim, the veracity of the claim I cannot say. But we from the police, we are looking all the possible lead and all the possible thing to deter this type of thing, because we treat anything, whoever commit this thing, we treat them as a criminal.
Ka sorkar kala pelait sabusan klor tengka syaki lai tili ki district council ha kajala watla menteri ubadai kmi ekakam kitanat jongki district council iba ala kemen remboi ila ong bahkan eka pisa kam dai na kabenta ka tulop henrai ka dai na kabenta ki kam penroi halor kamat kabayadai baka jing pensa ya ka tulop kinong trai ka GHADC ila ong baka sorkar Meghalaya kam shimla yo bor ban siu tulop halor ka jing sakot ka tulop kinong hikai menta lasan benai kenti menteri ketenat pule puthi ba la kemen remboi laong baka sorkar jala keladap ya keren bat ka sorkar pedeng halor kane padi kermen baka sorkar pedeng kan sapelait no ya katulop jongki haswa ka Christmas.
Since the August and take August, September, October, November, December, they have not received any salary. So I hope, I'm hopeful that before Christmas that the government of India will release the fund, because it is not only for the SSA, even for the other activities of under the Samakriya Shiksha Abhiyan also is being affected due to the non-release of fund by the government of India.
ka kan hon ki seng bhalang ha ka jala kala pen kre ban pen long ya ka jing ya khi ka bajur na ka daw ka jing pen slam ban pen trai kam ya ka airline permit la ni ILP ha ka jala ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization komso kala ya ro ya ka jing trai sitom jong ka sarkar jala ban ple ya ka jaka khmi bnia ya ka rong kami ki pat ba ha omleng na do la shai ka sngi usong kanwar ka komso iba Robert June Kharjaren ilaong makani ka jing pentrai kam ya ka jaka khmi bnia ya ka rong kami kan long ka jing pen million ya ki pat ba na ba ka jala kadang ap ban pentrai kam ya ka ILP bar ka nom don ka no ka jing thot ban pentrai kam ya ka jaka rong bat ka jaka mi haba pen pau ba ka jala Meghalaya ka de kalenti ka ba ya leng ba shaki babon ki benta ilaong ba ka Meghalaya kan sna ya la ki jong ki kendon ban pentrai kam ya ka ILP bat kum juru kan khmi bnia bha ya karukom rong bat karukom mi ha ka jala.
But I think it is something good. It's something that the people will get used because we are anticipating implementation of ILP in the state. So let the people get used through this process. And again that with regard to Trans-6 passenger, maybe some flexible rule will be there while implementing the ILP. So Meghalaya also will frame its own rule and with its own guideline, which will suit the demographics of the state, which will suit the Trans-6.
UMLA ka Congress na mauring kneng ula ajing mod ban shim lai banai tulop naki dekhot ka yeng dor bar khnang ban siu dep ya ka tulop ka badangsa jongki nong trai ka MEECL ula ong ba baro ki MLA ki biang ki bet wat lada ya ka tulop jongki anum siu ar la ni lai banai ru bat lada la ban yarap kan pensok ya ka jing e jong ka sarkar bat ban siu ya ka tulop jongki nong trai ka MEECL dakab ong ya ka ni uklem mod ban ong ba ka sarkar kamle ai halor ka ni kamat iba nong rom mi la ka dew pa ya ka jing hiran pisa la ni ya ka no ka jing e dai ban khmi hi da ka sarkar jala hakabaya dai ba ka jing pen bana ban don ka jing ya khi de ki nong trai jong ka MEECL iba nong rom mi la ong balada ki pen long ya ka jing ya khi la shai la shisngi ki pat ba kin ya kando shibon ki jing e.
Government of India has restored 30% areas paid to the employees. So I don't know why Government of India has not restored that 30% areas to the employees. Because why government servants? See, government servants, they are working not only for themselves, they are working for the state. Now, if a person who's giving his all out to to take care of the state, development of the state and the welfare of the people of the state. Now, if they are not being paid, will they have that satisfaction to work? They do not have that satisfaction to work.
Ka State Resource Center for Women SRCW jong katanat social welfare ka sarkar jala ringkat ka jing trailang ba ka Women's College Shillong ba ka Women's College Higher Secondary kila penlong ya ka program a jing hikai ka ba arsngi halor kamat ka jing sha thombor ka ba ya dei ba ka jing long contagion rang bat kila jing ya da lane ka gender based violence and its prevention kum ka jing kan mau burom ya ka sngi ba ka United Nations kala penbena ya ka activism program nado ka arpusan tarik unai weng hado shipau tarik uno pra arhajar arpau khnang ban pan phriang jing te bat pan sngo shaki pai ba ya ka jing sha thombor hakabaya dei ba ka jing long contagion rang lapan long ya ka ni ka program ha Women's College Auditorium kani ka program kan a jing hikai ki nong shim banta halor ka jing sha thombor ki hok jong ki kan thei bat ki khna kan thei ka an POCSO Act bat ka jing ya da na ki cyber crime bat ki wei de ki mat habakren hakani ka program I Dr. C Khongla Mission Director ilong ba ka jing sha thombor ki kan thei kalong ko wei ni ki jing sha thombor ka bu ja bha bar ka bakta bha ya ka hok long brio man brio ha ka leng ka per thei.
Gender-based violence and its prevention. In regarding this, I believe that you will gain maximum insights, maximum idea how to prevent this gender-based violence in such a way that it will be the session that you will learn, it will be productive and estimative for each and every one of you.
ya ka convocation ka bahan reu jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM lapan long ne ka sngi ringkat ka jingi dan lang ulat ka jela usat ya pal malik ki vice chancellor bat ki be de habakren ha ka jingi lang ulat ulapan pau ya ka jing babe ha ka baya dei ba karup kompanya ya ka pule puthi ha ka ri bat ongru ba kam judon ka jingi merjing mod halor kamang pisa ya ka pule puthi ha parliament ulakan tu ki khna pule bi ki dei ban shem ya ki lat ki baya dei ba ka jing wat bania hadian be ki la pendap ya ka jing pule degree ka balong ka benta ka badon kam e ha ka jing pule jongki hado 1000 lais pa alai pulai ngot ki khna kila yo ka kerdan degree ha ka ni ka convocation ha ka jo ka por la pen kop hai kong Patricia Mukhem ibadai editor ka Shillong Times da ka kerdan doctor of literature
a symbolic representation that we have students from all over the northeastern states and from all communities. So we are looking forward that this university will grow further and further, and by 2025 we want to put a mark that our university is one of the nationally reputed university, and by 2025 we want to make it a world-class institutions through our contribution in the field of research.
Mentampat ngan nyepet ya ka jing long jing man jong ka sun beneng ka jing shet jing kriat ka sun beneng ha Shillong ka long khan nyau point iwe la sun point sun degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau ka long ripu ar nakashispa aman step ban ripu pra nakashispa janmet ka sun beneng kan dom lo ha Shillong bat ki jaka ki ba man jan Haswab ngin pet biang yakimat ki bakong san yipen kan mau ye phi baya kan ka khubor jongi phi la ru ban pet live ha ka YouTube page jong ka DD News Shillong na lor ka ba phi yo i ha ki television phi la ru ban le cha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong na ka banta ki khubor ki ba man la ka singi te ban pen kot artat ya kan ka khubor jongi menta ka janmet ngin ye pet biang sasisien yakimat ki bakong san Penmi ka sarkar pedeng yaki kendon na kabenta ka jing ai inject panyada na ka jing pang COVID-19 kawat ka beningkong kan kenthop kumban lai phau klor ngot riu Snowkia ka sarkar halor kamat ka bayadai ba ka kanhon HNLC ong menteri katanat ki kampo yang iba la kamen remboy Pelaj ke sarkar saupusan klor tengka sekilai teli ki district council ong menteri ubadai kni yaki kam ki district council Badla penlong ya ka orientation program halor kamat gender based violence and its prevention ha women's college ha Shillong Tikitu kilong ki khubor na kani ka thop khubor jongi menta ka janmet ngin sai syam biang bat philasha janmet ha ka jo ka por ba ka jo ka channel na ka banta ki bei pat ki khubor tat hado ka ta ka por khub lai phi baro